All right, I'm here at Cats, but there's an elephant instead of a cat. So he shall explain to us what Cats is.
Okay, so CATS is Conservation and Tourism Society. This is an acronym for the Conservation and Tourism Society. That's
okay,
CATS.
what do you do?
We look at sustainable tourism. We also mitigate human-wildlife conflict. So under mitigation of human-wildlife conflicts, we've got the CATS Elephant Response Team. This is a section of CATS which has been created to mitigate elephants in particular.
So human wildlife is mainly human and elephants. That's usually where the conflict is. Yeah.
The elephant which has recorded the highest conflict. So we've taken up the initiative to supplement on the government efforts.
Okay.
So we have partnered up with the Department of Wildlife and National Parks.
Yes.
This elephant response team actually is on call 24-hour service.
Oh, okay.
So what we do is we go in the communities to do door-to-door sensitization on creating preaching the awareness on coexistence between human and wildlife. Yeah, we also have conservation education. We've set up some educational centers in communities where we focus on teaching conservation education and environmental issues.
Okay.
So we also do cleanups.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and the cleanups, we've partnered with organizations like Junior Chamber International since 2018. We actually were part of the group and stakeholders that initiated the World Cleanup Day with JCI. So we have taken it up, we do cleanups. Not only do we do cleanups, we also teach, educate on waste management and poor waste disposal. We also educate on techniques like waste selection before disposal, where we separate waste in its form. So we also do CATS community. This is where we involve the community in all our activities that we do. Yeah, we've come to realize that because of the set, there's a lot of people who have been affected by elephants coming in and attacking their gardens. So we are trying actually to formulate some policies where, like an insurance policy, where if one is on our list of a project where a person will protect the garden, we're using our methods. We have some methods that we use.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there is what we call a cane string.
Yes, yes.
This is where people initially would make noise, pam, 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 pam,
to scare the
elephants. So we tell them not to do that, but instead recycle this. So this is a cane string. It won't go.
Ah, okay.
So this has worked wonders. We actually used this on the passage where that elephant from Libes came from.
Yes.
You saw that?
Yes.
Yes. So we came up with this. We wanted to see if it would work. The time that we've used this there, we haven't had any complaints. Now it's been like 3 weeks.
Okay.
This is working wonders. We also use, these are what we call chili gangsters. This is a 5-liter can of paint. You just put holes in it. Then you get the dung and chili. So you put dung, you put chili, you put dung, you put chili. Then you put a light. So putting into consideration the times which the elephants will be coming. That's what how you picture it. So the elephants has got a very strong sense of smell, and this chili actually chokes it from inside the trunk.
Oh, okay.
So the effect of this, the trunk has got a soft layer. It actually makes the elephant's trunk actually swell. So that will irritate the elephant, and it doesn't like that.
So this is like tear gas for an elephant?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is a natural way of actually deterring them, and like using all those methods that have been used. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So where are you found?
We are found at opposite showgrounds, Old Farmhouse.
Okay.
That's where our office is. And our emergency number is 0976 992099.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah.